Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by aligning model choice with your goal. Pick Photoshop Generative Fill for integrated editing or a local diffusion model for full control. Load the base image and paint a mask where generation should apply. That tells the model what to replace or extend. Then set resolution and GPU device and choose a seed so results repeatable. This matters because higher res and stable seeds reduce artifacts. Once done, write a concise prompt describing content, style, and constraints to guide the generator. Now you refine the prompt with specifics, lighting, perspective, and relative size, because the model maps text to pixels and needs constraints. Make multiple smaller passes rather than one big generation. Mask 1/3 to 1/2 of the target area, generate, evaluate, then repeat. This prevents compositional drift and preserves texture continuity. Merge generations on separate layers and use blend modes and opacity tweaks to integrate edges. Make sure to save incremental versions so you can roll back to any earlier iteration if a pass goes wrong. Finish by polishing transitions. Use healing and clone tools for seams, then apply frequency separation or selective dodging and burning to match texture. Color match with curves and a final histogram check so the generated area reads naturally. This is why global adjustments matter. Sharpen at the end and export with proper compression. If you encounter repeated artifacts, try a new seed, simplify or rephrase the prompt, or reduce generation resolution and upscale later. That troubleshooting step resolves most stubborn errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.